I'm John, the Twisted Cuber. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the 6-spot cube. Before we get started, I hope you hit the like, subscribe, and notification buttons. Let's begin. The method used to solve the 6-spot cube also works on the IV cube. The only difference is that on the final step, you're looking for which direction this whole center goes, as opposed to this puzzle where you're looking for the direction that this line goes. Okay, let's scramble this up. Okay, the puzzle is now scrambled. You'll begin to solve with the white layer, starting with the white corners. This is going to be intuitive, requiring no algorithms. And now we have the corners built. And what we're going to do next is we're going to be placing the white center with one of these corners, like so. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a look, see what we have here, and based on what case we have, in this case we have the corner and center combination is on the back right and this piece is on the front left. We're going to be performing this algorithm to connect this up with the center. R prime, L prime, R. And the white layer is now solved. Now in this case you have the connected corner and center where the corner is on the back left and the other corner is on the front right. And what you're going to do here is you're going to perform this algorithm to connect these up. L, R, L prime. And the white layer is now complete. Here the joined corner and center on the top right and the other corner is on the front left. For this, all you need to do is perform an R prime move to solve the white layer. Here you have the joined center and corner on the top left and you have the other corner on the front right. To solve the layer, all you need to do is perform an L move. And the first layer is solved. Next, you'll solve the yellow layer. Turn the puzzle over. You're going to be using the exact same methods you used to solve the white layer. First, we're going to match up the corners. Like so. Then we're going to be matching up the yellow center with the corner here. And let's see, where's the other yellow? That is currently here, so that is on the you have the yellow corner here with the center on the back left, and you have the other one on the front right. So you're going to be performing this algorithm to complete the yellow layer. L, R, L prime. And the corners are now matched up with the center, so the yellow layer is now solved. And what you're also going to see is that you're going to have all the other corners are solved as well. From here, you'll have one of three cases. You will have solved the puzzle. We haven't done that yet. You'll have one solved side, or you'll have no solved sides. Let's take a look around. And we have one solved side. So we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting that on the bottom with the yellow and white layers being on the left and right. We're going to want to have whatever center is here to match up with the corners that are on top. So if you had this one as an example, that's not going to work, so you'd have to turn that around. From there, you're going to note which way the line is going, upward, which in this case it's going right. That's where I was referring to in terms of the IV cube, where basically same thing except it's the center that you have to be watching for and not this line. So this is going upwards to the right, so you're going to be performing this algorithm to solve the puzzle. The Y2 notation is rotating the entire puzzle horizontally 2 corner turns. L prime, oops, wrong way, L prime, U2, L prime, U2, L, U2, L. As you can see, the puzzle is now solved. Here's another example of having one solved side. We're going to have the white and yellow on the sides like this, on the left and right, and we're going to bring this down so that's on the bottom. We're going to be matching up to make sure that we have the blue that can go up to the appropriate corners. Make a note of how the line is going, and in this case it's going upwards to the left. So we're going to be performing this algorithm to solve the puzzle. R, Y2, R, Y2, R prime, Y2, R prime. As you can see, the puzzle is now solved. Here, we have no solved sides. Place the yellow and white layers so they are on the left and right. Note the way that this is pointing upwards, which in this case is to the left, and perform this algorithm. R, Y2, R, Y2, R prime, Y2, R prime. Take a look around, and we have our one solved side. We're going to place this on the bottom. These will be on the left and right, and we just have to take a quick look, and we're going to want to position the puzzle like this, so this way this goes up to here, and that's pointed to the right, so we're going to be performing this algorithm to complete the solve. L prime, U2, L prime, U2, L, U2, L. And as you can see, the 6-spot cube is now solved. And there you have it, a tutorial on how to solve the 6-spot cube. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, have a great day.